Hello, Amber and Michael. Okay, so the assignment asks that you fill out the form. Let me show you exactly. It's not a form rather than a bunch of questions. So I guess it is two. Let's see. Research grids and complete design brief. Do research on design briefs and review some examples as inspiration. Think about your personal brand. What does the overview of the personal brand project? What is the objective? In this task, consider the purpose of your personal brand. Is it to get a job? Blah, blah, blah. So, two examples of designs using grids and a description of what makes them effective. A design brief that includes a personal brand name, project overview, project objectives, target audience, tone, and voice. What makes you different and how would you like to be perceived? Nowhere in that does it say create a document and not fill out the answers. It's just asking for the content. So I'm sorry to see that a lot of people did that. This is a good start, but I want you to fill it out, okay? And then, Michael, I need you to double check your spelling and grammar. I'm sure when you type this out, you get a red underline. And when you get that, right-click on it and replace the word with the correct spelling. I spell things wrong constantly, like daily, because I reply to students. And I'm a little obsessive about making sure that I didn't post anything that is spelled wrong, because as the instructor, I should be doing that correctly. So that's all you need to do is right-click, Anyway, these are beautiful examples. I love the design on both of these pages. But again, you guys both need to fill out the questions, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.